Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reduce the image size of any image over on your iPhone. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So the first thing you actually need to do is, of course, create a photo of something that you want to reduce the image size of. So you can either already have a photo in your camera gallery, or you can just simply create one just like I did. Now, once you've done that, you want to go to your photos like this, recents, and you want to actually make sure that this is the photo we just taken. And by seeing at the timestamp right here, we can see that it is actually the photo we just taken. Now, when I swipe up on this photo, we can see that this photo is 1.6 megabytes, which is of course quite a lot. Now, in order to actually reduce the image size of this, all you need to do is go over to Safari or Google Chrome. Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to go to this website called reduceimages.com. You can also just go and type in photo size reducer in case this website may go blank at some point, but I will just recommend using this website. Click on select image, photo library, and you want to make sure you click on that image you have just taken, or that you just simply want to resize. Now what I would recommend doing is turning the quality down to 50% in order to resize it as much as possible. Don't worry, your quality will most likely not go down that bad, and you will most likely not even notice it. Simply click on resize after that, and we can right now see that it's now resizing that image for us, and we literally can see that this image has now been resized. If we now click on download image just like this, and we click on download, and we go to our downloads right here, you want to open that, and you want to simply click on the share icon right here at the bottom left, click on save image, and we now go to our camera roll right here. We can right now see that we just have this same image. We have this image and this, and we can literally see we don't see any difference in quality basically. However, when I right now swipe up over on this image, we can see that this image is literally right now 345 KB, and this one of course was 1.6 megabytes. So it literally just went down more than 5 times, which is absolutely crazy. And that's basically how you can reduce image size over on your iPhone. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.